This is Tony catching a sturgeon. You see, it's very, very strong. It already jumped out of the water. We're at Sauvie's Island.
Been only about 5 minutes?
Yeah. It's a beautiful night.
Come on, Dad. Oh, he's right there.
I know.
Come on.
It's not that easy.
It's heavy, huh?
Yeah.
Right there.
You see it? It's right there. It's jumping out. It doesn't look that big on.
Oh, yeah, but it probably is.
Dude, that is a big fish.
It is.
Oh! Dad, come on.
Whoa. That is definitely a keeper.
Yeah.
What? Are you going to keep it?
Duh. We eat it, David. Tony's prize and joy, right there.
We'll measure it. Make sure it's a keeper. Hold this, Kevin.
Hold it with 2 hands, Tevin. Just put that down.
Look all your stuff.
Whoa, Jesus Christ. That is pretty huge.
Definitely. Hopefully, man. This better be a keeper. Probably 2 feet. Oh, yeah, it is. I can already tell.
How long have you guys been fishing out here?
Oh, my God.
An hour.
This is 50 inch.
Woo, good size. Okay, we're gonna cook.
Time shrimp, buddy. That's all you.
Nice.
Oh, God. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hang tight, buddy. Hold on, tell him we got a 50 inch.
Okay.
Hold on.
I don't think that bucket's big enough for that.
No, it's not. Expecting catfish, and look what we got.
Whoa, that's a fat one.
50 inches, baby. All day.
All day, 5 minutes. Alright.
Now how are you going to put that in the bucket?
You just stay here.
Are we gonna go Lom's house now?
No.
Where are you gonna keep it?
I'll probably cut it off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're going to take it too long.
Yeah, because he knows how to cut it. Might as well.
You got the keys down?
Yeah.
Give me the keys. Put it in my pocket. Well, 7,